Emergency mode. Platform operation in emergency mode. Make sure that the machine is in the working position. The aerial access platform is equipped with an emergency mode which enables you to operate the aerial access platform without an energy supply. Unfasten the knurl head screws and remove the cover hoods. Remove the hand lever and screw it into the journal on the hand pump. Remove the operating lever and actuate the desired valve by pressing it in and pumping at the same time. Warning: risk of injury from uncontrolled movements. Swivel the platform in the direction of the transport position so that the arrows on the rotation indicator are aligned with each other. Teupen, access redefined.